grateful to be here, and I'm excited to see what happens inside. And I think it has always been a roller coaster ride till here for me. So yes, I'm thankful to everybody. I'm very grateful that people invited me here.
Well, I just want to congratulate Rahulji. He's honoring all the unsung heroes, the small entrepreneurs from the small scale industries, the MSMEs, and they are contributing towards our nation's economy. And they truly, I think, not given their due. And he very kindly does this event where he is recognizing them and he's honoring them. So congratulations, and it's a great endeavor.
The main purpose, the main goal of Brand Empowers Global Excellence Award is to shine a spotlight on such business owners who are actually hidden gems in our nation. जब तक बिजनेस आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा, मेरा मानना है देश आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता है.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we please put our hands together for Shilpa Shetty. Congratulations, everybody! Okay, we have Shilpa ma'am with us in the house. Everybody make some noise! And before we move on, Rahul, can I please have you up on stage to felicitate Shilpa ma'am? और जोरदार तालियां for Rahul Ranjan Singh as well. Proudly partnered by digital marketing partner, we have WebPulse Solution Private Limited, radio partner Radio City, CSR partner WebPulse Foundation, B2B partner is GetManufacturers.com, e-commerce partner is LocalDukan.com, wellness partner is NaturalTherapyIndia.com. Now, from an impressive pool of over 30,000 nominations, Brand Empower has meticulously selected the top 120 winners across various sectors. Now, these sectors include manufacturing, services, healthcare, education, real estate, tours, travels, beauty, wellness, and spirituality. And not just these sectors, but apart from this, the glamour world is also with us tonight. From the world of Bollywood, television, OTT platforms, the dynamic realms of YouTube and influencers are also going to be joining us tonight. So ladies and gentlemen, let's begin with Global Excellence Awards 2024. Everybody make some noise! And the next award, ladies and gentlemen, in this category we have is the Fashion Diva of the Year goes to Isha Malviya. Everybody make some noise for Isha.
Thank you so much. Hi, namaste, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So, first of all, it's a very, very big thing for me getting this award from the fashion diva herself. So, yeah, thank you so much. And I would really want to thank everybody and GEA to have me here. And fashion starts from within. So, आप अगर अच्छा लगना चाहते हो तो आप अच्छे लगोगे at any cost. So please always be updated with trends and keep yourself fashionable. This is my tip to everyone. And also today is Mother's Day, so I would like to congratulate my mom, the lady who has been styling me since birth. So yeah, this is for you, Ma, and congratulations and happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful and lovely mothers out there.
That's your mom?
Yeah, that's my mom.
And she styles?
Yeah, she styles me every
भाई
time.
हमारी मम्मी आपको ऐसे चंपू करती थी हमें फिर?
I don't have any extra stylist, so she's the one who styles me every time.
Oh, पैसे की बचत. बहुत बढ़िया. Thank you, Isha. Thank you very much. Thank you. All right.
So मुझे ना award मिला है Fashion Diva of the Year. So अगेन आज मदर्स डे भी है, प्लस ऐसे भी क्रेडिट इन्हीं को जाता है क्योंकि मेरा कोई अलग से स्टाइलिस्ट है ही नहीं, यही मेरे को स्टाइल करती है. सो या दिस इज फॉर हर.
थैंक यू.
हेलो एंड गुड इवनिंग. मैं हूं दारा सिंह खुराना और मेरे साथ में है बहुत ही स्टनिंग, बहुत ही प्यारी ईशा मालविया, जिन्होंने अभी अभी अवार्ड जीता है फ्रॉम द शिल्पा शेट्टी. How does it feel firstly?
Yeah, it feels amazing because I got this award for Fashion Diva of the Year. That's what I said on stage, that getting this award from the lady who's Fashion Diva herself is a very big thing for me. So yeah, I'm so grateful. I'm very happy.
और आई थिंक उससे चेरी ऑन द केक जिसे हम कहते हैं वो ये है कि आज है मदर्स डे और ईशा की मॉम भी हमारे साथ में है. तो आंटी, आपको कैसे फील हो रहा है कि आपकी बेटी ने आज ये अवार्ड जीत के आपको प्राउड फील करवाया है?
मुझे आज बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी हो रही है क्योंकि आज मदर्स डे है और ईशा ने मुझे बहुत प्यारा गिफ्ट किया है. थैंक यू.
बहुत खूबसूरत. सो ईशा, मैं आपकी जर्नी फॉलो कर रहा था और मैंने देखा कि आपने बहुत यंग एज में बहुत सारे पेजेंट्स में पार्टिसिपेट किया. तो क्या आप हमेशा से एक एक्टर बनना चाहती थी एंड दैट यू थॉट दैट प्रोबेबली पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन पेजेंट्स इज अ वे देयर?
No, I think more than me, my mom was the one who wanted me to be in this field because she wanted to do it in her time, but she couldn't because itna support and everything, it was not there. But yeah, fortunately, it worked out and now I'm here standing with you. So.
आंटी, आप हीरोइन बनना चाहती थी, आप अभी भी आपका पूरा चांस है. आपने बिल्कुल भी चांस लूज नहीं किया है.
हाँ, मैं बनना चाहती थी बट नहीं बन पाई, लेकिन मैं अपनी बेटी का देख के मेरा सपना पूरा हो गया.
बहुत बहुत खूब. वही तो माँ होती है. आपने उडारियाँ भी किया और आपने बिग बॉस भी किया. तो क्या आपको लगता है कि बिग बॉस वॉज द बिग थिंग ऑफ योर लाइफ एंड दैट चेंज योर लाइफ और नॉट रियली?
No, definitely Big Boss has changed my life because it is a very, very big platform. It is a huge platform actually, जहाँ से exposure आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मिल जाता है. So that's definitely one thing that it has changed my life and a lot of people know me now. वो मैं कहीं जाती हूँ, मैं मास्क लगाई हुई होती हूँ, वो मुझे आंखों से देख के भी पहचान लेते हैं. Oh, we watched you in Big Boss. So it's like a beautiful feeling and I just want to go up and up like this the way I'm going. So yes, thanks to everybody who has been with me.
We will all pray that आप इसी तरीके से तरक्की करती रहें, इसी तरीके से खुश रहें और इसी तरीके से हेल्दी रहें.
I think Global Excellence Awards is organized by Rahul ji and he has been great every year. The way he has been supporting everybody in each and every field, may it be business, may it be women empowerment, may it be fashion, may it be entertainment, may it be in any category. He has been appreciating people in a way that nobody else could. So I think that's a really beautiful thing and that's why he has been achieving everything and he has been ticking all the wish lists. I'm sure he has been having behind his mind. So yes, a big congratulations to Rahul ji and I wish all the very best to his future growths.
Wow, that was so beautiful and thank you so much for being here. I absolutely loved having this conversation with you. And thank you auntie, आप यहाँ पे आई. हम लोग आपके लिए भी प्रे कर रहे हैं कि आपको भी एक बहुत ही अच्छा रोल मिल जाए. Thank you so much.
So well.
Thank you.
Very soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.